Domestic violence. There are few subjects that have recently received as much attention in New Jersey and across the country, and rightfully so. Statistics tell us that 1 in every 4 women experience domestic violence in their lifetime, and the cost of that violence is several $billions each year for medical and mental health services. And it's not just women. Many men are also domestic violence victims. And the worst case is that most cases of domestic violence are not reported to the police because statistics show that more than half of the domestic violence incidents occur between spouses. Many years ago, I made a commitment to do what I could to protect the rights of New Jersey domestic violence victims. I also made a commitment to help those who are unjustly accused of domestic violence. This sometimes happens in New Jersey divorce cases when one party wants to force the other party to leave the house. So they file a domestic violence complaint even though the other party hasn't committed domestic violence, and they get the judge to issue what's called a temporary restraining order, forcing the other party to leave until there can be a hearing. Usually that hearing doesn't take place until at least a week later. In the meantime, not only is the defendant out of the house, very often he or she can't see or talk to the children. I've handled many New Jersey domestic violence cases. In some of those cases, I've done so on a pro bono basis for people who truly have no way of making payment. If you live in New Jersey and you're the victim of domestic violence, call the police right away and then contact us. If you're charged with domestic violence, contact us as soon as possible. But first and foremost, read the restraining order carefully and don't violate it, because that's a criminal offense.